Hi everyone. I make this vlog because I'm shocked for today because one of my friend in Facebook, he live in Tunisia. This is the second time that he gave me a gift, that he sent me a gift. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god to you. I know na you order this in I don't know, in Manila siguro, no? But I don't know. I don't know if what did you do. I don't know if what did you do, ha? Because yesterday I will go to FedEx and I want to send gift to the Bangladesh, but it was a bracelet. It was a bracelet. I sent a bracelet, but it was 5,000 plus a payment. Sent a gift going to Bangladesh, and it was a bracelet only, but it's so pricey. And why you always send me? And the address is like, I think it's Philippines. But I know you are living in Tunisia. How? You always send me a gift from the Philippines. Because the address is a Philippines. The address is a Philippines. But this is not a Shopee, ha? Is it Shopee? Last time you sent from Shopee. But this is not from Shopee. This is not from Shopee. Thank you so much to you, my friend in Tunisia. You send gift again. I did not accept when this package I arrived. I did not accept because I thought they have payment, because they have always send here. I have order, but I didn't have order. But now they have order and already paid. Then I was shocked. Why it's already paid? Where it's from? And now I know this is from you again. I don't know what did you do? Sending always me a gift. This is gave me. This is a wallet. I thought you have money, but I know this is not in your hand. I know this is not from your hand. I know you ordered this and sent me. I know that you do. Because the address is from the Rizal. Yeah, this is from Rizal. I know. You ordered in online and send me. Oh my God, do I look like bad smell? No, I'm just joking, ha. He sent me a wallet. I did not. I have a wallet, but thank you so much. I have a wallet. That's why I'm shocked. And it was heavy. So what is this? And also a perfume. It was a perfume. I already opened. Okay, I just shocked my good. My God, no? Hindi nga anak pa yun siya, oh. So, thank you so much to you, my friend from Tunisia, always sending me a gift. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to pay you back. I don't know how to pay you back, and I don't know how to send a gift from Tunisia and to Tunisia. I don't know how to order like you do to me. I know, okay, we always talking. I know you are in Tunisia working, but why you send me a gift always from the Philippines? First day, did you send a sunglass, mini sunglass, and now a perfume and a wallet? Thank you so much, friend. Oh my God, I'm so happy to have this gift that you give to me. Okay, I did not answer your call always. I did not. Because we are not same time here. When you wake up, I'm sleepy too much because it was 7 hours advance, I think. Yeah, advance. So I did not wait for you, and I know you didn't wait for me because we are not. We are both working. So thank you so much for this gift, Marco from Tunisia. Thank you so much. I know na this is not pricely to you because I know your money is bigger than our money, and I think you ordered this online from our country and just put my address so that I arrive here. But me, I don't know how to like that do to you. I want to, but I don't know how. And I just ask you if how, then you did not tell me how, so that's why. But thank you so much for this gift. I love it. Thank you so much. The smell is so nice. Yeah. Oh my God. Do I look bad smell because you sent me a gift? Oy, it's really, I'm a good smell, ha. I'm not bad smell. No. It's a joke. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, friend. Very good smell. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know you. I know. How I pay you back. I don't know. If I ask you if how to do like this, you did not tell me. But thank you so much. I very appreciate it to this gift. And oh my God, it's my pleasure. You always send me a gift, ha? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And that's it for today. Bye.